Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine. Thank you for selecting this video and spending some of your time with me. Today we're going to be doing 3 unboxing, and most of my makeup today has been using the products from the box. This is my first time actually using a foundation, so I'm so excited that I was able to actually start doing my whole full face using mostly Boxycharm products. So let's get started with the unboxing, and as I reveal the product I received in the box, I'm going to be showing you a demo of me trying on the product. So you're going to be seeing a picture how I look like before makeup. Okay, my skin, I have a lot of pigmentation. It has improved a lot. It was horrible before, I'll say about 9 years ago, and I have improved my skincare routine. This is why I love Boxycharm too, because I have been able to try some skincare products that I was in the lookout for, but I feel like paying it full price was going to be too much. But that has really helped me too. Another thing, guys, have you noticed before when I started, I think when I first subscribed to Boxycharm was in 2017, and most of the boxes we will get a mascara, an eyeliner, and a lipstick or lip gloss. And haven't you noticed, I was trying on a mascara. I actually put on this mascara today from Lorac. I think I got this like a year ago, and when I was trying it on, I was like, you know what, it's been a while since I got a mascara. I know the last time was Hank and Henry, but before that, it's like I feel like we used to get mascara so often and eyeliners. So that was a complaint that at least I had, that we used to get so many mascaras. But now I just realized, I was like, wow, it's been a while. So I feel like Boxycharm has improved their game, have improved their subscription, because I'm not getting as often mascaras or even lipsticks or lip gloss like I used to. And I do have different boxes. As you see, I have 2 base box and 1 premium. So we're gonna go inside the box, and to be honest, guys, I didn't get even a palette. So that was something else that we used to look forward to, getting a makeup palette and eyeshadow palette. So what I did today, I used this palette. I used the Ace. This one is a vintage Dawn. I have not used it at all, so this is my first time using this palette, and I really like the colors. It's giving me that fall vibe. I love the fall theme. Always I love the fall theme, so I really like the palette. I feel like the Storybook shimmer pigmentation, I feel like it was more on point. I feel it's a lot softer, but it's my first time trying the palette, so that could just be the first time using it. So the first box, now that I mentioned so many good things that I love about Boxycharm, I'm able to try complexion like foundation and concealer. Both of these boxes, I opened it, and both of them don't even have the paper that it gives me the information. The one you see in the back, as you see over here in the section, that was the one I got from the premium box, because there's so many subscriptions that does improve, at least in the service and the shipping and how we get our boxes. So now let's go inside the box. The first product that I did receive was from Becca. This is Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. My shade is olive, and I do like the shade. I did a review when the Skin Love foundation came out from Becca. My shade was also olive. I wasn't too crazy about that foundation. It just made me oilier. I don't know, it just didn't work for me. But so far, this one, I like the coverage, and I like how it looks on me. You're gonna be seeing on camera. I do like the shade. I love so far how it looks on my skin. So far I'm very impressed with this foundation, and I'm happy to get a foundation in the box. So the second thing I did try it on, it did not come on this box, but it's pretty vulgar. This is not my shade, and you're gonna see that on camera, but I like the coverage. So what I do is that I apply this concealer, but then I use a concealer that is a lot lighter, which the one I've been using is Revlon Youth FX. The coverage is not that strong like the Pretty Vulgar, but I do like that this one is much lighter, so I feel like it blends really nicely, and I like the coverage so far. So I usually use these two together when I do my makeup routine. And of course, I'm applying everything with the Boxycharm brushes, which is the one I've been using ever since I got them, and I'm very impressed with those. So the next item I got, and you're gonna be seeing me applying this on camera, is from Ciate. This is a vacation. I love that because I love the tropics. I love anything tropical. I love anything coconut, and it says this is a coconut setting powder. I love how it smells. If you're worried about the scent is not strong at all. It's not like it gets you on your face like the Physicians Formula, the butter bronzer. That one I feel like it's a little bit more stronger. This one is not, I don't even notice it too much. I love to do those spoilers, and when I revealed that this was going to be part of those spoilers, I was like, oh yes, I would like to get a setting powder. So I'm glad that I got this. This is from Ciate London, and I'm happy so far with the coverage. On the box we got the brushes from Alamar Cosmetics. The brushes I do like. They did get dirty quickly, but I'm glad that it has that color on top, so you won't be able to see it so much. For contour complexion brush, this one is the brightening brush, which I haven't even put highlighter on, and then this one is the bronzer brush. So you know, sometimes you just use the brushes and to see how well it works for you. I did like applying the rest of the contour with this one because of the angle, and I feel like it just packed on really nicely. But when it comes to blending, I feel like it was, I don't know, it didn't blend as much as the brush that I like. When it comes to blending, I always like using my Luxie, which is called blush, but I use this for blending. I just feel like it blends so well. So then yeah, and you will see me applying the powder with this one, and this one I didn't use so much, but so far they do feel really nice and soft, and I do like the way that this was designed, the color. I feel like it was perfect for a Valentine. So facial radiance pads, this helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten, and this is from Fab First Aid Beauty. I love pads. This is the thing that's in. I love following Korean skincare, and they do talk a lot about pads from different brands, of course, and sometimes those pads will work so great to exfoliate your skin, especially if they have those main acids or ingredients. I don't know what this may have yet, like that it's alcohol free, so I'm so excited to try these pads. So I'm excited that I got this in the box. And the next thing that I got is the Evio Skin. It says Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. I'm not a fan of wipes because I notice in my skin it dries my skin a lot. It takes a long time to hydrate my skin to look healthy and glowy for a long time once I started using the wipes. That one I don't think I'm going to be using, but I'm glad we're able to get products that we're able to test. So this is my first box. So now let's move into the second box. The second box, I'm going to show you inside how it looks like. And pretty much I got almost the same stuff from my first box, so a lot of duplicates. Why did I get a second box? It was because when I did my selection, you know, the choice item was between the foundation of 4 products, and I wanted the foundation. And then my sister was with me because she came from Puerto Rico, and she just wanted to relax her mind because what was going on over there with all earthquakes happening like every day, a few times in the day, every so often, and she just couldn't sleep or eat, and she wanted to relax. So that day we picked her up from the airport. We went to Orlando, we went to Disney Springs, and I was able to make my selection. So I made my choice. So I was like, you know what, later on I'm just gonna purchase a serum because I also wanted the serum from Kate Somerville. But then a few hours later it was gone, it was sold out. I was like, no, it was sold out. So I'm like, you know what, let me just get another box because I really want that serum. I really like that brand. So that's the first item in there. Everything else is pretty much the same, from the setting powder, the pads, the brushes. I was hoping for the sponges, but in this one instead I got the lipstick. This lipstick is called From Queen, I believe is the name, and this is called Wifey Matte Liquid Lip Satin, and the shade that I got is Wifey. So it looks like a pretty cute color. I'm not trying it on. I did not put it on because I wanted to continue with that pink theme or peach theme, but it is a pretty shade. It's a pretty shade. This is more me, so I like that I got the lipstick instead on this second box. So now that you know, but when I received from both of my base boxes, now let's move on to my premium box. Guys, I was so surprised that I got all my boxes like together. Usually it takes like weeks before a gap before I get the other one. So now let's go into the premium box. So pretty. This is Tarte Double Duty Beauty. This is base tape hydrating primer. So this one, look how pretty that is. And this one has hydration of 12 hours, coconut infused, smooth appearance, extend wear of foundation, which is funny because the foundation I'm wearing is 12 hours, so it's gonna extend it. Let's see. But I did, when I put it on, I was like, this smells like coconut, but it's just me because I love coconut, and I like this. It does feel very tropical. I really love the scent. I feel like here you do smell it more versus the setting powder from Ciate London. I knew I was going to get this because this is the item I selected. That's why I mentioned I did not get a palette because I did not pick the palette. This is something that I use a lot, and I'm excited that I got this. This is the one that I picked. This is the ceramic flat iron with infused magnetic plates. And this is from Sutra Beauty. So I'm excited that I got this product in the box. The Hourglass. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. And the shade that I got, I don't know. It says Diffuse Heat. I don't know if that's the shade. Yeah, the shade is Diffuse Heat. I feel like it looks kind of light. I have not put any blush on, so I'm going to go ahead and put some blush. Oh, it is pretty pretty, and it's really pigmented. I didn't think it was going to be that pigmented. So this is the one that I got, and this one is called Diffuse Heat. So excited. I wish I could have grown more in my Glow Recipe collection. I love this brand. The first thing that I saw so many great reviews about was the moisturizer, which I'm glad I got, and actually that was in my list for me to get, and that's why I'm so happy that we're able to get these things from Boxycharm. So this is a Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. The formula is a blend of watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus that refreshes and softens skin and enhances makeup. It's so cute. I wish I gotten the other products from Glow Recipe. I didn't get the sleeping mask, and I didn't get the pineapple serum, but I'm glad that we all got this in our premium box. So the next item I got was the 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. I am using the Glow Recipe moisturizer right now, the watermelon, because before that I was using Sunday Riley, and that finished. So I don't want to open it until that one finished. So I'm gonna be using this. I'm excited for this because I did a DIY. I did a lot of research about gold and rose water and all those things, and then I did like the serum together, and I noticed that I saw a lot of improvement with those oils with the 24 karat gold together. But you have to be careful the type of 24 karat gold that you do use, especially for your skin. I'm excited to try this moisturizer. The next product that I got from Premium is Chorus. Yes, I was hoping I got this. I didn't mind which flavor I got or which fragrance. I love guava. That's one of my I love guava, so I was hoping I got that one. But I also got the one I got was the Lavender Blossom. This is a body butter. It looks so pretty because my favorite color is purple, so I'm excited to try this product. So guys, this is everything that I received from all three boxes. Everything else, I really like my boxes this month. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So just know that there's so many spoilers coming already for March for all three boxes, and I feel like I got some full box reveals for most of them. So check out that video. I'm gonna put it around here. If you want to get a spoiler alert, you don't mind getting some spoilers and knowing what's coming, check out that video, guys. So thank you for spending some of your time watching this video and seeing me unbox my boxes from Boxycharm for the month of February. So thank you guys, and I hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.